You will never be this age again, so please do what makes you happy. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the right time. Stop waiting to feel ready. Take the trip. Start the thing. Tell the person. Wear the outfit. Try the new hobby. Life is happening right now, not someday, not when you're more prepared, right now. And the older you get, the more you'll wish you had cared less about what people thought and more about what made you feel alive.
A wandering heart on a crazy ride, an open road and a deep blue sky. Feel it calling me like the wind. Trust the compass down in my skin. Walk straight, stay right. That's what they say to me, but I don't fit right inside the lines. Whoa. I hear the calling down in my bones, so following where my arrow goes. No one knows what the future holds. So following where my arrow goes, following where my arrow goes. Oh. When I was young, my mom told me, son, that soul of yours was born to run. It's your adventure for you to choose, and you'll know home when you find your roots. Just remember, don't walk straight, stay right. That's what they say to me, but I don't fit right inside the lines. Whoa. I hear the calling down in my bones, so I'm following where my arrow goes. No one knows what the future holds, so I'm following where my arrow goes, following where my arrow goes. Follow my arrow, I hear the calling down in my bones, so following where my arrow